Got a GM Ultium Level 2 charger and going to go and install this today. Here's what the charger looks like. It's very large, very heavy. If you see relative to my hand here, it's about, say 14 inches tall and about 8 inches wide. The back has some aluminum grates here to help it with cooling down. Cooling fins. There's a mounting plate that will go here that you mount on the wall. There's a port here that you can use to direct wire this charger into your circuit breaker. You have an option in that case to use a 60 amp circuit breaker so that this thing will charge at its fastest rate possible. Otherwise, this only will support a 50 amp breaker here, and it typically will charge at 80% of that, so it'll only allow 40 amps to go through. But with a 60 amp breaker, you get a little bit more power out of it. One thing to notice on these is there's a Bluetooth pairing code here that's needed for setting up this device with your phone app. So before you put the whole thing up on the wall, make sure you look inside here, take a picture of this code. It's a 4 or 5 digit code. Get that pairing code that you're gonna need that when you install the app and get this connected up. That's what that looks like there. It's got that release here on the top. That's that catch that holds it plugged in. This is a 50 amp plug here. This could be used with the device, just using that built-in plug, but I'm not gonna use that in this case. I'm gonna go to the panel. I'm gonna install a 60 amp breaker here and run a cord all the way across my garage here and out to the exterior where this will be installed outside of the building. They give you a template so that you can make your measurement and drill your holes properly. This is for the rack that holds the charging cable itself. And now the unit's connected up to the stucco, and now we're just connecting the wiring inside the unit for the hardwired connection. And here in my breaker box, here's the Ultium charger with that 60 amp breaker that'll provide power. Here's how we ended up inside. Through this conduit here, all the way across and over, and then we exit out there to the unit outside. Everything installed, got the unit up on the wall here and the charging cable down below. This is a 25-foot cable, so it'll reach way out to this parking lot here, be able to charge up vehicles. And it's wired right in through into the fuse panel with a 60 amp breaker. So it'll get the max that this unit can put out, which is I think 48 amps on that 60 amp breaker. That's it. Hope that was helpful to see the install of a level 2 EV charger. Have a great day.